Chapter 3rd Pronouns. To begin with, work in pairs, take turns to talk about the picture. Examples: look at the grandpa. He is wearing a blue shirt. He is watering the plants. There is a big umbrella. It is red and blue. Your answer would be likewise. Grandma is reading the newspaper. She is wearing glasses. She is sitting under the umbrella. Pronouns are words that are used in the place of nouns. Nouns make sentences better and less repetitive. Compare these sentences. Example: Armin sat under a tree. Armin opened a notebook and began to write something in the notebook. Modify one. Armin sat under a tree. She opened a notebook and began to write something in it. Here, she and it are pronouns. They are used in the place of the nouns Armin and notebook. I, me, we, us, you, they, them, she, her, he, his, him, and it are pronouns. Exercise A. Circle the correct pronouns in the brackets to complete the sentences. First, my name is Gurleen. Dash study in class 4. Answer I. Second, I said to Payal dash sing very well. Answer you. Third, Yamini and I are going to the park. Dash we will back in an hour. Answer we. Fourth, the students are writing dash have a class assignment. Answer they. Fifth, Kunal said that dash does not know how to fly a kite. Answer he. 6. Amma said that dash will come home early today. Answer she. 7. Karan has lost his pencil box. I am helping him find dash it. 8. Jonah said to Maridul, now please listen to dash carefully. Answer me. 9. When we reached home, there was a parcel waiting for dash. Answer us. 10. Mandeep's pet dogs were hungry, so he quickly fed dash. Answer them. This water bottle is mine. Isn't this notebook yours? The blue house is ours. Words such as mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs are possessive pronouns. They are used in the place of nouns and they show possessions or ownership. Exercise B. Write the correct possessive nouns. First, this book belongs to me. It's mine. This watch belongs to Grandpa. It's his. The ruler belongs to Kavya. It's hers. The car belongs to us. It's ours. This pen belongs to father. It's his. These books belong to Kavya's friends. They are theirs. This pencil belongs to me. It's mine. This sharpener belongs to you, Kavya. It's yours. Pronouns can be divided into 3 classes. Pronoun of the first person are I, me, mine, we, us, and ours. A pronoun is the first person referred to the person who is speaking. Example, I am going to watch the play. Pronouns of the second person are you and yours. A pronoun is the second person referred to the person being spoken to. Example, you should come with me. Pronouns of the third person are she, her, hers, he, him, his, it, they, them, and theirs. A pronoun in the third person refers to the person being spoken about. Example, let's ask her to come too. Exercise C. Ayan will not burst crackers in this Diwali. Read this conversation between him and his classmate. Circle the pronouns. Ayan says, I have decided not to burst crackers this Diwali. Circle the I. I want to request the rest of the class join me is saying no to crackers. Circle I and me. Fiza says, we burst crackers to celebrate Diwali. Circle we. They are so colorful and bright. Circle they. Ayan says crackers are very harmful for us. Circle us. They cause pollution and disturb animals. Circle they. I have a dog. Circle I. It is scared to go outside the house on Diwali. Circle it. Karan says, my baby sister feels scared too. She begins to cry when she hears loud crackers. Circle both she. Ayan says, crackers cause air and noise pollution. They can make us sick. Circle they, us. They are also dangerous and can cause accidents. Circle they. Nancy says, but then how will we celebrate Diwali? Circle we. Ayan says, we will celebrate it with friends and family. Circle we and it. We will decorate the house with electric light or divas, eat yummy sweets and make rangoli. Circle we. We will spend time together. Circle we. Parul says, you're right. Circle you. We too will not burst crackers on Diwali. We. Circle. Exercise D. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. One night, as Tenali Raman was about to sleep, he heard the rustling of leaves. He thought it was not windy outside. There must be thieves planning to rob the house as I sleep. I must do something. He quickly gathered all his money and jewelry. He said out loud to his wife, I will put all my money in a trunk and drop it down the well so no one can steal it. The thieves heard him. Their leader said, Tenali is doing our works for us. We will pull up the trunk from the well and his treasure will be ours. The thieves spent the night pulling up the trunk from the well. It was very heavy. By the time they got hold of the trunk, it was early morning. Tenali stepped out of his house and saw them with the trunk. The leader laughed and said, too late, Tenali. Your money is no longer yours. It is now ours. We spent the whole night pulling up the trunk. Tenali stood there smiling. The leader opened the trunk. He was shocked to see that it was full of bricks. There was no money or jewelry. Tenali laughed aloud and said, well, what are you waiting for? All my treasure is yours.